Roll sound, roll camera, and action. Welcome to the Starr Justice Show. Hi, my name is Liberty. And my name is Summer. We are going to do scrapbooking, and I got it for my birthday. Scrapbook, a black light pen, a regular pen, a glue stick, scissors, sequins, gems, and lots of stickers. This is from Chuck E. Cheese, and I'm going to put it in the scrap paper. And this is for my daycare. This is for my daycare, and I'm going to put it in the scrapbook too. This was when I was a baby, and this was when I was a baby, and I was at my uncle's house. This is a book, and there's blank pages inside. There's scrapbooking paper. And there are stickers. This tape. Let's get scrapping. Now I'm going to glue my picture on. This one. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, and make sure you count for a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm writing my full name. I can write secret letters. There is a light, and you use the light. So you draw something, and then you shine the light. See, like you can't see the words. I'm going to put some sequins, and I'm going to add glue. I'm gonna add some stickers. I got my favorite LOL sticker. This is my favorite LOL. Okay, she's going to go over here. I'm going to use regular glue since the glue stick is not working. Ooh, I think I want to spell my name with these letter stickers. This is Diva, this is Walker, and I don't know what this one is, and this one. And she's going to get some sunglasses because it's a hot day. Which one am I going to add now? This one I like, and this one, and this one, and this one. I like all of them.